Concept of Six Sigma. It is developed by Motorola in 1986. The this Six Sigma concept was introduced by the Sir Bill Smith. It introduced the quality improvement methodology to the Motorola. In this Six Sigma, it is a set of techniques and tools for the process improvement. In this Six Sigma process, numerous brands in the world of corporate development can be seen. The main definition of Six Sigma, which is to improve the quality of process outputs by the identifying and removing the defects. Six Sigma is basically defined by approach of collection of managerial and statistical concept, and in this technique it focuses on the reducing the defects of the product. In this process, these Six Sigma capabilities to achieve the variation in small compared specification limit. In this Six Sigma process, 99.9999% of the products can be manufactured by the statistically expected to be free of defects. Six Sigma is a very clever way of branding and packaging of the total quality management process. Manufacturing methods of Six Sigma are used in the biotechnology, batch production, job production, and mass production. The overall goal of this Six Sigma was to measure and eliminate the waste by achieving the perfect results. Numerous companies which are include Electrical, Ford, Daimler have credited Six Sigma for the billions of dollars. This Six Sigma is a statistically oriented to approach the improvement of process controlling, total quality management, and design of the experiments. It can be coordinated with the major integrates and the systems of the products which have to be developed. The MRP is called as Material Requirement Planning, and just in time it is a inventory control of the Six Sigma. At first glance, Six Sigma might seem to be structured in analyzing the standard and repetitive manufacturing situations. Many of the Six Sigma production lines are very relevant to the process, as well as five key principles of Six Sigma concept. Here, some principles of the Six Sigma concepts are given. They are focus on the customers, measuring the values and finding the problems, get rid of the junk and keep the ball rolling, and increase the responsibility of the ecosystem. These are the five key principles of the Six Sigma concept. Majorly, the customer is the king. This is the popular belief of the Six Sigma concept. The primary goal of this customer is king benefit to the customers, and for this business need to understand the customer's needs and have to produce the quality products for the sales and loyalty. After that, it helps to identify the problems and finding root causes. By the removing some junk materials or bottlenecks in this process, it used to achieve the good quality. Involving the stockholders and adopting team contributes, it collaborates. By the collaboration processes, it increases the knowledge of the product quality. By the ensuring flexibility and responsive ecosystem, it helps to the nature also. These are the some 5 key principles of the Six Sigma process. Here, 5 major objectives of the Six Sigma are given. They are overall business improvement, remedy of variability to decreasing the cost, improving the product quality time, increasing the customers satisfaction. These are the major objectives of the Six Sigma process. And in this Six Sigma process, there are two types of methodologies are given. They are data driven method, which is used to improve the product sales and customer satisfaction. They are DMAIC and DMADV. And another main topic in this quality management system is concept of out of the specifications. The term out of specifications is defines the process of product testing which falls out the specified limits which are mentioned in drug master file or drug application. In this specification process, the output of the process will be qualified, and it is simply means the result of out accepted limits or standards are called as out of specifications. By the out of specifications, the deviations in the product manufacturing process, errors in the testing procedure, and analytical techniques are arrived as a root cause. The main reasons for the out of stock, out of specifications can be classified assignable and non-assignable. This, these out of stock issued by the quality assurance to the analyst. Finally, designated personnel are to qualify the out of stock process. And in this out of stock process, there are two basic phases are there. They are laboratory investigation and phase 2 investigation. In phase 1 investigation, only laboratory investigation is occur. Measuring of defects and processing, manufacturing, and rejection of batches. These are can be seen in phase 1. Where in the phase 2 process, here reviewing of the production and additional lab testing processes are performed. Procedure of the phase 1 out of specifications. Here, quality control investigation will be occurred by the analytical error and It leads to the reanalysis of the sample and then results can be released for the batch. After that, we are having another type. They are lab errors can be rectified by the out of specification results. After that, it go for the phase 2 process. In this phase 2 process, in this phase 2 investigation process, production review and additional laboratory testings like retesting, resampling, it will be performed. Here it is. Phase 2 investigation. Reviewing of the production, root cause identifying, after that rejection of the problem and then get the corrective action and performing additional lab testings. After that, retesting the samples within the limits. After releasing the investigation, it can be resampled and retested by the analyst. This is about the out of specification and their types.